Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. As you guys can see on my screen, in this video, I'm going to discuss about Infosys pseudocode questions along with the answers. As you guys already know, Infosys is one of the well-reputed multinational organizations where it conducts freshers pan-India recruitment drive most frequently every year. So there were several number of designations like system engineer, okay, software development engineer, QA engineer. So every year Infosys conducts pan-India recruitment drive for freshers as well as for experienced candidates, wherein which the first round will be online aptitude test. In the first round of online assessment test, there will be a section called as pseudocode questions. At least 40% of those online tests will be pseudocode questions. So if you answer this pseudocode questions very well, then there are more chances that you will clear this first round of online test. So the because the weightage of these will be very more compared to logical reasoning, English, okay, as well as logical, okay, aptitude, okay. So you it is very important to clear these pseudocode questions because the weightage of marks will be very more. So in this video I'm going to solve the top 10 repeated questions, wherein which I have collected all the previously year asked pseudocode questions and I have collected all the top 10 repeated questions. So if you practice these top 10 repeated questions along with answers, then it will definitely help you to save more time in the first round of online assessment test, where you can uh, solve other questions like aptitude English, okay. So I'm very sure these questions will be from these top 10 repeated questions only. There will be some changes in the variables or the values, but the format will be same. So make sure you practice all these top 10 repeated questions and also have some basic understanding about the pseudocode, okay, which will definitely help you to clear the first round of online assessment test. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily job updates as well as placement related updates. So please do subscribe to my channel and support. So let's get started. So the first question is int main, int I is equal to 5, j is equal to 4. So there are two variables I and j, and if not equal to printf percentage d percentage g ij, else I plus plus and plus plus j return 0. So this is the pseudocode which is asked, one of the most repeated asked in online assignment test in Infosys. So here you need to figure out the output of this pseudocode. So the options given are 5 space 5, 5 space 4, 5 space 6 and 6 space 6. So here the values for the integer I and j is already assigned. So you need to figure out in the inside the if condition what the values will be, okay. So the solution is like this. So 5 space 4 will be the output as a statement inside if block will be executed, okay, inside the main function. This is because if printf, right, is false, as it is not printing any mess, and if not equal to printf is true. However, if there was any text written inside in printf, then if printf would have become true. So the next question is int I is equal to 25. If I is equal to 25, I is equal to 50. If I is equal to 25, so there are multiple equal operators. I is equal to I plus 1, else I is equal to I plus 1. Printf percentage d I. So here the output will be I. So you need to figure out what is the value of I of this pseudocode. So the options given are 51, 25, 50, and none of these. So the solution is 51 is the correct answer as the first if condition is true. So I becomes 50. Again, the second if condition is false. So corresponding else to that if statement will be executed. So I is equal to 50 plus 1, that is 51. Next pseudocode mostly repeated one is int I if true, printf work, else printf not work, return 0. So the options given are work, not work, compiler error, runtime error. Answer is A. If condition satisfies, hence work will be printed. So this is a very simple. So this is to check your basic in C program, basic concepts are clear or not, okay. Next question is if printf is equal to 0, printf inside f block, else inside else block, return 0. Options given are inside else block 0, 0 inside if block, error if cannot have print statement. Answer is C. C is the correct answer as firstly 0 will be printed, and then since the condition gets fulfilled, another message inside if block will be printed as well. Next question is int x is equal to 0, int main if x is equal to x, printf if else, print else. Options given are two same variables cannot be compared, if else if. So answer is D. Explanation: above code involves simple comparison. Okay, so if x is equal to x, that is 0 is equal to 0, it will just directly prints if, because the condition is true. Okay, basic question. This is also a mostly repeated question. Next question is int main if null, printf null, else if false, printf true, else printf false. So the options given are true, false, null, error. Answer is A. So these are the top 10 questions. So the next question would be int a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, printf a or b is equal to percentage d, print a or b. Okay, return 0. So the options given are 4, 1, 0, 6. Explanation: answer is D. Above code is just for performing the logical or operation between two variables. Okay. Next question is int a is equal to null minus true, printf a. Option given are -1, garbage value, 0, error. So answer is -1. In programming terminology, null denotes 0 and true denotes 1. So 0 minus 1 will be -1. Okay, so these all are basic concepts. So make sure you practice all these repeated questions and also be very comfortable with the basic questions. So sometimes the values or the variables might be varies, but the format will be same. Okay. Next question is int x is equal to 2, x and 1 question mark, print true, else print false. So basically you need to check. This is the basic syntax of one of the operators. So make sure you are very good in it. So options are true, false, 0, error. Answer is B, that is false, because x and 1 is false. Therefore, it will print the next one, that is false. Above code is easy if you know the working of ternary operators, right? So 2 and 1 is 0, so false is the answer. Next one is int a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2, printf a or b is equal to percentage d, a or b. So options are 4, 1, 0, 6. Answer is D. Above code is just for performing the XOR operation between two variables. Okay, simple one.